But this view, I mean, that water, and take a look at your neighbors. This is your neighborhood. Welcome to 106 Blue Lagoon, Laguna Beach, California. This is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,975 square foot, $4,750,000 property right here on the beach of Laguna Beach. You have your formal living room as you enter the house to the left-hand side. Very, very done up nicely. Tons and tons of storage, which is very, very great. Built-ins with the KitchenAid, stainless steel appliances, which is phenomenal. Look at all of these cabinets though too. Just tons and tons of storage space. Huge island. I mean, you can literally just party in here like no other if you have guests over, or for yourself, obviously. Make a great meal and just enjoy. Here's your other little seating room here. You can use this to watch TV in the mornings. Over here though, I mean, talk about your dinner table and your lunch and your breakfast table. This is insane. You literally walk over to this window here and you can smell the ocean air blowing right through. And windows from floor to ceiling, wall to wall, absolutely spectacular. You can see all the way down the beach there. Oh my gosh, it is breathtaking. And the video obviously does not do justice. This is level number 1. Let's go ahead and head upstairs to level number 2. We also have the downstairs level we'll cover here in just a second. Heading upstairs, and here we go. Tall ceilings in the stairway here, and then go up to this landing. And at the top of the landing here, we're going to find bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, and we also have the bathroom here. So we do have a full bath. It does have the nice standing shower, big giant rain head. The finishes in the shower are very, very nice. Got the single vanity here, looking back out to the back side. And then we'll take a little step this way towards the beach view, leading us into the master. Very, very large room. But can you just hear that? Let's just wait. I wish it was smell-o-vision because you get that beautiful ocean breeze smell. Oh, so nice. Look at this wave coming in. Just get out there with your family, boogie board it up, have a good time. So obviously there's also another big giant window right here on the outside of your bed. So you can rearrange this room however you like, but let's take a look and turn back. And we will head over to the master bath in a moment. Take a peek in here. We got a nice walk-in closet. Plenty of storage in here. Very, very nice. And we'll head back this way into the master. Tons of mirrors. So you got your makeup session here. You got your double vanity over here. Got your toilet in the back and another well-designed shower here. Pretty cool, interesting feature, right? So the top of the glass is not there, the bottom there. To cover your bottom half up. And then also there's storage in the bathroom. Tons of cabinet space, drawers as well. And then taking a look back, this room is very large. Also have a nice little wardrobe here, ceiling fan. All right, and then we'll walk to the other side of the landing here and taking us to bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 2, also very, very good sized actually. So you can fit a nice large bed over there. Looks like they got the Murphy bed set up even. So that way that can tuck away, giving you even more space in case you want to use this as your office in this main section of the room. We'll take a look at that. Here is your courtyard in the actual property here. And then over here, we'll take a look inside the closet. Closet's pretty deep, as we know. From the view over here, you can see how wide that is going to be as well. And we'll take a step into the back office section here first. Let's peek back at the room so you can see this. There you go. And then into the office bonus room here, however you would like to set this up. Very nice. Big bright windows also looking back into that courtyard. Take a look here. There you go. All right, now let's head on down to the bottom floor, as we were talking about earlier. So we're on floor number 2 right now. All right, heading down to floor number 3. Check this out. As we walk down here, we take a look at your parking space. Your parking space is on the beach. So when you come in, you come home, you'll come wrapping around the driveway. This is a gated complex, gate code entry, and brings you into your parking section here. And your parking section also has storage here. And in case you invite your guests over, they do have entry through here as well. All right, bringing us back inside. Oh, and the breeze, by the way, crazy, obviously. That breeze from the ocean just kicking right in. So down here, you got a little nook here for storage or wine rack, whatever you like to put there. Over here, we've got extra storage cabinets, the laundry room, so you can do your linens and things down here as well. We'll go in here and take a look back. And you can see this level is kind of like the mud room. You can come in, take off your shoes before you head upstairs into the main lobby there. There's also a restroom, pretty large sized bathroom, which is nice because when you come in from the ocean and you're all full of sand, your clothes are wet, you can come in here, you can ditch the clothes, put them into the wash, get your towels all done, maybe your blanket that you took to the beach, all of that handled as well. And let's go ahead and take a look out here again. And then we'll go check out the amenities. This complex, on top of just the unit, which, here, let's do this. Let's go. You ready for this? Oh, I'm just gonna go outside real quick. This, you know, you wanna go drink your coffee in the morning and read your book, drink your tea. Check this out, boom. We just kick off our sandals, scoop those up, and let's take a little walk. So let's see. Now, there's been a lot of great homes we've seen along the way, really cool meditation places, but to come sit right here, beachfront with your blanket and just meditate with the waves crashing, it is next level. Look at this. So it's been about 20 seconds since we stepped foot on sand, and we are going to be getting our toes wet. Check this out. Oh man, look at this too. Beautiful. Right over there is the Montage, by the way. You can see the sailboats. Here we go. Are we gonna get here? Woo! All right. So 1 minute later, we've already got to experience the ocean. But this view, I mean, that water, and take a look at your neighbors. This is your neighborhood. So let's go ahead and walk back up and then we'll show you the view of your property from the outside. Oh, and then what's also really nice up here at the top, there is the shower to rinse your feet, to rinse your body before you head in the house. And check this out. So there is yours right there. That is your property. Let's see. Boom. Very cool. Head up here and rinse off our feet before we head back. All right, so our feet are rinsed off. And boy, was that a rough day at the beach. Let's go ahead and head back home and have some lunch, have some dinner, have some breakfast, whatever you are wanting to do. All right, amenity number one we'll cover. About 100 steps from the property is the pool. And this is actually a nice deep pool as well. It goes to 8 feet. You can come out here, rest quietly, listen to the birds chirp. All right, and we'll come on into the pool house area. As you can see, really nice poolside furniture. They do have the restroom here. And then they got a clock so you don't lose track of time. You got your shower, keep yourself nice and clean. And then also on this side, the women's room. But yeah, like I said, this is really nice, 8 feet deep, so you can have a little bit of fun instead of just like a wading pool. Come out here, spend some time with your family, enjoy the day in case you don't want to go into the ocean water. And a couple of the other amenities here, you have your drive-in. It is gated. There is a combo lock. You have to enter, you or your guests. As you pull in, you will also have a tennis court, pickleball court, whatever you like to use it for. You also have an ocean view from your tennis/pickleball court. And as you come down, we'll have pool number one. We already showed you pool number one, but this would be, I guess, the second pool in the order of video today. But this also has a very nice lap pool, and it has the nice ocean view as well. And you can see there's actually just panoramic views from up in this location. And this property was brought to you by Chad Concolino, and you can get in touch with him at Main Beach Realty. I'm also gonna go ahead and put my information down in the description along with Chad's information as well. So if you have any questions about this property, please make sure you reach out to us. We'd be definitely glad to help you out. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We have new videos coming to you weekly, multiple times a week sometimes as well, with cool properties in and around South Orange County. Also, please make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you like this video, please let us know by smashing that thumbs up. And then lastly, make sure that you go ahead and leave a comment. What was your favorite part about this property? What did you like about it? What didn't you like about it? What would you do with it? Let us know down in the comments, and we would be glad to answer your questions.